Good morning and welcome to the Early Riser Workshop, filming today from a local pottery studio, Norris Arts. I'm preparing two pieces, a Bee Hive pot and the straight-sided bowl. The first step is to apply a wax medium to the bottoms, and this prevents the glaze from sticking to the pot and subsequently to the kiln shelf. I've chosen a light blue glaze for the Bee Hive pot. I'll stir the glaze to make sure it has an even consistency. Brushing carefully, I'll apply up to 3 coats of glaze. Since I can't put the brush inside the pot, here I'll pour the glaze into the opening and rotate it as I pour it out. That'll ensure an even coat of glaze on the inside. Switching now to an oatmeal glaze, I'll prepare it for brushing up to 3 coats on the inside of the straight-sided bowl. Switching now to the outside, I'll apply the oatmeal glaze from the rim to the transition. Moving on, I'll apply glaze to the rim. With a smaller brush, I'm adding a little bit of overlap on the transition area. It's important to keep your brushes clean, especially when you switch glaze colors. And now I'm preparing a flat black glaze to be applied from the transition down to the foot. All done, ready for the kiln.